can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in Glamour?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
Crane must have taken a shard with him. The open arms.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks, Bigby. And thanks for covering for me last time, too.
Bigby? How could you do this to me? I guess I finally see you for who you are! Tell me who did it! Just tell me who did it! I know you know!
I don't think he did it.
What?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women?
It was a good show. But, you know...
Just take him, okay? Take Crane.
Well, this is gonna be a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really. I mean it. Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the Queen.
Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Los geht's mit Episode 4. Erste Folge von The Wolf Among Us. Das eben war ein kurzer Rückblick. Junge. Wie hab ich mich dann dahin geschleift? Oh.
See you around.
Okay.
Hollow Point bullets are a
Bigby's
nasty
Apartment,
business.
das Woodland-Gebäude,
So
früher Morgen.
deformed and shredded on impact.
He'll be okay, though.
Hmm?
He'll be okay?
His internal organs are positively riddled. If I don't extract every single scrap of silver, he's liable to suffer some long-term toxicosis. Easy there. Try not to move.
Bigby.
Ah, das will ich nicht sehen.
I figured I'd be done before you were conscious, but there's little I can do for the pain.
My arm.
Der ist ein bisschen
very ugly,
komisch, ne?
but not life-threatening. I can't say the same for these bullets peppered throughout your vital organs.
Please,
Alter,
Bigby,
hör
don't
doch
move.
auf! Mann! Oh, ich hasse das.
I'm
Offene
engaged
Brüche
in
sind
his life
schlimm.
at the moment, but if the fractured extremity concerns him that much, he can set it himself.
Was? Ah ja, dann. Rufende. Oh, nee, oder?
For heaven's sake.
Ah!
See now? That wasn't
Sorry, ich hab die falsche
difficult,
Taste
was it?
gedrückt. Alter! Mann! Ich glaube, es geht los.
That'll do. You're probably better off. This way I won't have to reset it later. He's lucky to be alive. And he won't be next time if he keeps going like this. He didn't listen to me before. Maybe he'll listen to you.
I don't know about that.
Well, he should.
You know, I can't hear you.
Quiet. Just relax.
Einfach locker bleibe, während ich an dir rumoperiere, ohne Narkose, ohne alles. Gar kein Problem.
Excuse me, Miss White, but perhaps it'd be better if you gave me a few minutes to finish with him.
I think I should stay, at least until he's out of the woods.
Believe me,
Out of
Bigby
the
could be
woods,
in better
okay.
hands. And I need the space to work, so...
Don't worry, Snow. I'll be okay.
Ja, außerdem will ich ihn ruhbläre und heile. Da brauche ich keine Frage
Please,
bei.
give
Kenn
us the
ich.
time.
Hey, Doc, how much longer?
Colin, leave him be.
It's finished when it's finished.
'Cause I once watched a vet sew a turtle together in 10 minutes flat.
Colin, you're not even supposed to be here right now.
Oh, really? Where am I supposed to be? I'm here to take care of my friend.
Colin, shut the hell up, will you?
Yes, that would be helpful. There. All done.
Great.
This isn't a habit you should keep to. Having visits with me. And, well, this time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue. Miss White.
Ja, und so gehst du jetzt halt raus. Total blutverschmiert. Laufst du in die Stroß rum oder was?
He knows what it means. It's just been an unusual couple of days.
Unusual couple of days, ja.
Please, don't give him the excuse. His body will eventually give out. Take care of him. Please.
I will. He'll need rest, I assume.
Sleep mostly.
I can still hear you.
Anyways, guard against, as they say. Miss White, Sheriff, Colin.
Swiney.
Er geht wirklich so aus mit dem blutigen EM-Wäsche. Ey, da sollen sie kein Aufsehen erregen und dann rennt er so in die Straße rum. Ey, keine Angst, ich bin ein Doktor, ist nicht mein Blut. Aha. Jawohl. Erstmal Bierchen. Aus, also wahrscheinlich Wein aus der Ofenflasche oder ist es Schnaps, keine Ahnung.
Feel.
It's Bigby, Snow. He'll be okay. Hell, I seen him take worse.
Not much worse.
Ich bin ein harter Kerl, ich brauche nichts zu sagen. 3 Uhr.
I'm glad you're not dead.
Es ist jetzt 3 Uhr mittags, war das jetzt 12-Stunden-Operation? Ah ja, es ist hell. Ah ne, es ist Licht. Weil um 2 Uhr war jo 2 Uhr 15, glaube ich, waren wir bei der Hexe. Und dann war dann das, wo ich zusammengerobbt worden bin.
It kind of scared the hell out of me. I've never seen you like that. And when Swinehart
Ach komm, jetzt sagen wir einfach. Komm, ich bin halber gestorben.
You're really worried about me?
Ich mach das nur für dich.
Yeah, you were really fucked up, man. You look like when you take an action figure and bend its limbs the wrong way.
Mann, Colin.
Colin.
I'm just saying, I was worried about him is all. The guy hasn't had a night's rest in days.
Well, I'll get some rest when this whole thing is done.
What
Junge,
whole
ich bin
thing?
ziemlich...
What's even happening out there? I mean, do you guys have like a plan or something? And who should I be asking? Should I be worried about the Crooked Man taking over?
Crane
Ja.
is still our focus. I just can't forget everything he's done. I don't
Hey,
care
Moment,
if he has
Moment, nein,
problems.
falsch. Da wollte ich gar nicht...
Ichabod's gone. It's over for
Ja,
him.
wollte ich gerade sagen.
He's not coming back.
Ichabod
It's
ist
not
weg.
about Crane anymore,
Also der
Vicky.
Crane.
The Crooked Man came out of the shadows for a reason. For him to attack us so blatantly like that. He either feels invincible or desperate.
Well, if those are my two options, I don't think I'd pick desperate.
What do you mean?
You traded Crane to save Bigby. I'm just saying, that's not exactly something you do when you're playing with house money.
So he called my bluff. It's not like I'm gonna let Bloody Mary just murder.
Yeah, thanks.
Ja,
Snow.
man muss sich einmal bedanken, ne?
All that
Die hat mich ja
back there.
einfach leihen lassen können oder
No problem.
Bloody Mary
Thanks.
weitermachen lassen
You're
können.
not pissed that Crane's flown the coop? Or that the Crooked Man thinks he's got snow under his thumb?
We're all mad about it, Colin.
Of course I'm pissed, but what's done is done.
Okay, okay.
All I care about right now is
It feels so bad.
just what does the Crooked Man
Was
want out of
happy,
this?
now is sad.
I thought he was just a
Und so
loan
weiter.
shark, but clearly he's operating in other circles. It can't just be about Crane, right? Getting him out of town? Is this all about the murders? Crane can't be useful to him anymore. So what could this have to do with Faith and Lily? How long
Alle
has
Fälle
this stuff
falsch
been
ausgesucht.
going on?
You know, I couldn't really give a shit what they want out of this. They just made the wrong fucking enemy.
Ah, ja genau,
Remember
großer
what Swinehart
böser
said,
Wolf. Nur ein bisschen locker.
The Crooked Man declared war against us last night.
Wer ist denn der krumme
At
Mann?
least that's what I thought
Wer ist
when
das?
it happened. But now I see this war has been going on for years. We just haven't noticed it because our way of doing things is broken. We need to do things the right way.
What does that mean? The right way?
What do you think I mean?
I don't know, but it suspiciously sounds like your way.
Ja,
Yeah.
ey, ich hab
Wait,
selber
what
keine
do you
Ahnung, ne?
mean? What is this?
Ja, was ist die richtige Art?
We
Ich kenne nur
haven't
meine
been
Art.
doing a good job. You and
Was?
I.
Ich war voll gut. Außer, dass ich Dumbledore oder Dumbledore oder Dumblebee umgebracht habe. Das war vielleicht nicht meine Glanzstunde.
Pure as driven snow.
I'm not saying I'm the arbiter of...
Sure you're not.
This town has enough monsters. What happened last night, what you turned into, it can't happen again.
We need monsters. To fight monsters.
Colin, if I really believed that we needed him to lose his flippin' mind at a moment's notice...
I'm sure from your vantage point, it's extraordinarily easy to judge me.
Bigby.
But you sit behind a desk all day. And only tonight did you see what it's like to be pushed into a corner all the time just for doing your job.
You think I don't know what it's like to have my life in danger? To not be pushed to do things? I know what it's like. And I know what it's like to lie to yourself.
Ey,
to
es ist,
justify
glaube ich,
what
egal,
you've
was du
done.
nimmst.
So don't
Irgendwie
talk to
dreht
me
Schreimer
like
auf die
other
Fies.
people. Look, Bigby, I care about how this is done just as much as I care about it getting done.
So for that, you want to give him a handicap? Like the bad guys will worry if shit gets sloppy. Everybody wants Bigby to smile and shave and take a shower now and then.
Hold
Ich
on.
arbeite nicht
Who says I'm
schludrig,
sloppy?
hallo?
I always do what I do for a reason.
And it's all turned out how you
Das hätte ich vielleicht so nicht sagen
Get the
sollen.
job done. Just let him do it.
I'm going to let you do it, okay? It's just that now that I'm deputy mayor, I need your respect. And this situation has to end.
What situation?
Ja, die mit dir,
All
Colin.
unglamored fables starting today have to go and stay at the
Oh,
farm.
give me a fucking break. Are you gonna let her talk to me like that?
It's been the rule for a reason, Colin.
Look, everyone just calm down, all right?
I'm perfectly calm.
Ja, okay.
I'm not. Tell me right now, what's it gonna be, Bigby?
Och, nö. Ja, Telefon.
Wolf's
Es
residence.
geht ab.
That's rude.
Oh.
Oh, Buffkin, what is it? Okay, I'll let him know.
Spichel geht wieder?
Thanks. Guess who's waiting in your office right now?
Bluebeard.
Narissa.
Narissa.
There is
That
a...
broad from the puddin' and pie?
Yes. Apparently, she told Buffkin that she has something she needs to talk to you about. But that she'll only tell you. And what do you think that could be?
Bigby's got an admirer. You always do well with the, disenfranchised.
She knows something. She's helped me a little with the case. Maybe she has something else.
Maybe she does. I should get back to the business office. I've left Buffkin alone for too long taking calls. And I should probably change out of these clothes. Consider
Jo.
the discussion tabled, but not over.
Jetzt rennt die A-Blut verschmiert
You know when
rum.
you're done with
Bin ich
Marissa.
der Einzige?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Der Einzige, wo zusammengeflickt wo ist,
She's
der
a
noch in
piece of
saubere
work.
Klamotten rumrennt.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you? I mean, she seemed real serious about it, but I can still hang out
Ey.
here.
I don't know. Snow will come around. She's just... the crane thing hit her
Ja,
hard.
aber das Ding ist
She doesn't
halt...
really know who her friends are right now.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Don't worry about it.
Thanks, Bigby.
Ja, Colin ist ein Arsch, aber er ist halt mein Arsch. Also nicht mein Arsch. Aber halt Kollege, ne? Es ist aber... Kacke hier. Ja. Soll ich schon nicht besser Laie bleiben? Ach so, die ist bei mir im Büro. Okay. Guten Tag, Herr Leiter, habe ich glaube ich schon gesagt. Auf geht's zur vorletzten Episode von The Wolf Among Us. Das dürfte jetzt hier die 10. Folge sein, wenn ich mich richtig erinnere. So langsam wird es ein bisschen schwer, gutes Foto zu finden für die jeweils erste Folge von einer neuen Episode. Ich versuche halt immer aus dem Vorspann irgendwas zu nehmen, aber es wird schwieriger, ihr Leid. Ich meine ja nur, einfach, ich kann ja lieber dieselbe das da nehmen und dann da den Titel drauf knallen. Naja, so, es wird auf jeden Fall interessant. Episode 4, im Schafspelz. Hallo kleine Meerjungfrau.
Hi, Sheriff.
Bigbys Büro, das Woodland-Gebäude,
Hi, Narissa.
morgen.
Have a seat.
Ja, mir geht's gerade ein bisschen dreckig. Wieso? Ist sie so am Smile?
Are you okay?
Sehe ich so aus?
You didn't look good last night. I wasn't sure you'd be.
Den Spruch bringen wir besser nicht.
Let's just say I've been better.
Ja. Ja. Ja klar, erstmal in die Paffe. Ei, das ist ganz wichtig.
Huff and Puffs. Not many people smoke those.
Also, was hast du? Chorette? Was ist dann Chorette? Oder war das Schogette? Die Rachschogette. Okay, also was wollte Crane? Ich weiß, was Crane von ihr wollte, aber was für
What
Info
was
wollte er
that out there with
rauskriegen?
Crane? He wanted you to tell me something. You know, it's not too late to talk.
There's not a lot that I can talk about.
Ja, das
You know
stimmt.
that.
Weil sie
So
so
that
komisch
spell Crane was
verzaubert
trying to
gedönst
break.
ist.
It's not just while you're at work, huh?
Blub, blub.
What I mean is, I don't want to waste your time, but I don't want you wasting your own time either.
Back in the dressing room, at the Pudding and Pie, I told you what I was looking for, and you found a way to tell me. You sent me to the open arms. Maybe that'll work again?
You can try. I just... Go ahead. It might work.
You're here because the Crooked Man just sent Crane to the bottom of my list of worries. And you have something you want to say about that, right?
These lips are sealed.
Oh ja, sie hat was zu
If I could
sagen.
answer you just like that, I wouldn't have had to make that appointment with you.
No, I guess not.
Okay, die Slips sealed, sagt sie immer,
Sometimes
wann sie
We have to find our
retten
way
will, aber
through
halt
life on
welche
our own,
Verzauberung nicht drüber retten kann.
grasping and fumbling in the dark. I used to have friends to help me find my way, but now they're gone, and I don't know what to do.
Are you trying to say something about Faith and Lily?
What I'm saying is friends matter, and I don't have any left. So I hope you're looking after yours. Are you?
Who are you talking about? Are my friends in danger?
I'm sorry. I thought I could do this.
Mann,
I need you to know I want to help, but
your lips
But
are
your
sealed.
lips are sealed.
Wie kann sie es nicht schreiben?
I'm sorry if I'm wasting your time.
Hat das was mit dem Halsband zu
I
tun?
thought I knew how to say it.
Ribbons. Faith wore one too.
Yep. Ey.
Do you like it?
Oh, die hat genau dasselbe gesagt.
Do you?
It's not
Die
how
hat
it
genau
looks that
dasselbe
concerns
gesagt,
me.
als ich sie drauf angesprochen habe.
It's what
Oder
it
als sie
does.
gesagt hat, irgendwie sowas.
That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
Ja, ausziehe einfach.
That spell Crane talked about. Is there any way to break it? Is there
Ich bin mir
something
nicht sicher,
I
ob sie
can
das
do about
überhaupt
it?
weiß.
No! These lips are sealed!
What?
You can't! Just stay back!
Okay.
You can't do that!
Slow down. It's all right. I'm not gonna do anything.
Okay, dann besser nicht. Ich meine,
Please, don't.
Junge. Okay.
Okay. I get it. So the ribbons, if you take them off,
Irgendwie passiert da eine große Scheiße. Ich-
If anyone finds out I came here,
that's probably Snow.
Wahrscheinlich nicht.
Listen, Sheriff. Can you keep this conversation between us?
Ja.
I could be in a lot of trouble.
I won't tell anyone, don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay, hat sich... Ach, guck, jetzt...
Sorry, I just need to talk to the sheriff.
Junge,
for a
jetzt
moment.
mach doch nicht
Please
so.
excuse us.
Okay, aber sie wusste ja, dass
I might have a new
Nerissa
lead
da
for you,
ist.
but I don't know how solid it is. Beauty and Beast called the office just now. They said they wanted to talk to you about something. I wonder if they've heard about Crane.
Thank you for listening, Sheriff. You should go on to your next business. I don't think you'll be wasting your time.
Wait, you don't have to go. That was abrupt.
It's one way to send a message.
What did she tell you? I didn't mean to rush her out. Did you get anything from her?
Ich hab nicht gesagt, ich rede nicht drüber.
Okay then. Good work.
Ich muss halt auch beachten, dass sie halt im Moment die Boymeisterin ist oder vertreten tut. Ne?
Is this the right place to look? What could they know about the Crooked Man? Or do you think they just heard about last night and they're scared about what's been going on?
Beauty told me she had to take out a loan from the Crooked Man. Seems like a pretty bad deal.
I can only imagine what they're thinking now.
Hat die gerade in die Mitte geklickt? Was passiert da jetzt?
We need to solve
Bleibt
this
er jetzt
before
einfach
something
stehen oder
else
was, wo er ist?
happens. Who knows what? I have other matters to attend to.
Aller gut. Wohnung von Belle und Beast. Das Footland-Gebäude.
Good reason. Look what happened.
Ich hab Geld dabei. Viel Geld.
You said it was settled. That doesn't mean I have to agree to it.
And when were you going to tell me? Or were you just going to keep that a secret too?
You know what it was. You know what was going on, Beast. I had to get a job, and you wouldn't have it. Don't make it into something it wasn't.
It's the principle of it.
Don't act like you
Ja, ich sollte nicht hören, aber ich bin ein Schnüffler.
You're going to bring up ancient history. I don't have to stand here and listen to it.
Fine. Go off in a huff. I'm through talking.
Okay, ihr Leid. Ich, Samo, das war's für heute. Wir machen morgen genau an der Stelle weiter. Und dann sehen wir mal, was so los ist, um was es bei den zwei geht. Dann würde ich mal sagen, danke fürs Zugucken. Wir sehen uns morgen wieder. Oder, wann ihr wollt, wir haben einen Haufen Märchenbuch-Inträge freigeschaltet. Jesus, nein. Wann ihr wollt, könnt ihr die auch noch gucken. Kriegt ein bisschen mehr Hintergrundstories mit und sowas. War nett. Ah, okay. Wir sehen uns morgen wieder. Tschö.